Hello, today we shall create a special PDF document. This PDF will contain text, but you will neither able to select the texts, nor search them. And we shall not use any permission password for doing this. But before we start the video, I want to say something. I don't tell to subscribe to my channel or like my videos because I know that they will come if my content is good. But I need comments in my videos. If I don't know what my viewer are thinking, I shall not be able to upload good videos. So, whoever watching this video, please leave a comment after watching. Anyway, now we shall start the video. At first, we shall open the LibreOffice drawer. Here we shall take a text box, and type our matter. I have copied a random text, so we shall just paste it. Let's add a heading. Alright, I have created the primary document, and now we shall apply the trick. Select the text box, and right-click on it. Come down to Convert, and select Curve. Apply the same process for all the text boxes. After you have done with it, just export it as PDF. You don't need to set any passwords there. This is the PDF that is created, and here is our text. Let's search for a word here. Did you see? No result is shown. These are actually texts, but they will not behave like texts. That's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please comment below about your thought. Goodbye.